Jeep Grand Cherokee 05 to 2010. 3.7 and 4.7 are the same. 5.7 is a little different setup. The 3.7 and 5.7, I'm sorry, 3.7 and 4.7, the temperature coolant sensor is behind the alternator. We have hot condition, not overheating, just hot. So I had another sensor. I will just test it. Takes 5 minutes to take it out. Do this when the engine is cold and release the pressure. If the engine is cold, we can remove the cap, so it will be too much pressure. Use a universal in the front, otherwise you're going to have to take out the cover. And just a little bit of coolant loss, nothing much. Now this looks a little bit at the front, supposed to be some kind of copper. It looks like dirty or overheated perhaps. So I'm going to replace it to see if I can fix the hot running issue, not overheating. Difference what it's supposed to look like. I just put a little tape on the thread and secure. Okay, the new sensor is in. We'll plug in the harness. Also inspect the harness. Sometimes the cover on the outside is dry out and the wires are exposed, and some wires don't like hot temperature, they overreact to it, especially when the engine runs really hot. So just double check everything, put it back, and we're going to start the engine. Okay, coolant temperature sensor, job complete. Time 10 minutes. I have one of these infrared thermometer. Let the car run. The heating controls on full. I got some numbers down from normal operating Jeep. So the upper hose should be around 145. And we have 144. Fine. Next I'm going to shoot the radiator. 111, 110. That is correct with this number here too. 110. So the sensor was the problem. When the engine runs hotter, a lot of the sensors will overreact. So I changed the thermostat in this car in the fresh coolant. It still was not overheating but running hot. So after we changed the sensor, we get normal temperatures. So problem fixed. I hope my video helped you out. Subscribe and support the channel. Good luck.